Could we as a species ever reach the point of immortality? A question that has fascinated humanity since time immemorial. Today, we delve into the realm of cutting-edge science, exploring the tantalizing possibility of eternal life. Scientists are making strides in understanding the very fabric of life itself, our DNA. By studying the telomeres, the protective ends of our chromosomes, they've discovered that these structures shorten as we age. When they become too short, cells can no longer divide and become inactive or die. But what if we could halt this process? Recent research has highlighted the role of an enzyme called telomerase. This enzyme can extend these telomeres, potentially slowing down or even halting the aging process. The implications are staggering. If we can manipulate this enzyme, we could theoretically extend human life indefinitely. Yet it's not just about our cells. The field of cryonics, the low-temperature preservation of humans, offers another pathway to immortality. The idea is to preserve the body after death, in the hope that future advances in medicine and technology will allow for revival. It's a long shot, but for some, it's a shot worth taking. Then there's the digital realm. Some futurists argue that we could achieve a form of immortality by uploading our consciousness into a digital platform. This concept, known as mind uploading, raises profound questions about identity, consciousness, and what it truly means to be human. So where does all this leave us? The possibility of immortality, once the stuff of myth and legend, is becoming a tangible scientific question. Through the manipulation of our DNA, the potential of cryonics, and the intriguing prospect of mind uploading, we are inching closer to understanding and perhaps even achieving immortality. Yet these pathways are fraught with ethical, moral, and practical challenges. Extending life indefinitely could have profound societal implications, and the concept of mind uploading challenges our very notion of self. In conclusion, the quest for immortality is a complex and challenging journey, one that is as much about our values and beliefs as it is about science. But the question remains, could we one day become immortal? The answer is still unknown, but the pursuit of this age-old dream is pushing the boundaries of what we understand about life, death, and what lies in between. So what would be the impact of immortality on religions? Many of the world's religions are based on the concept of life after death, a journey of the soul, or reincarnation. The achievement of physical immortality could profoundly challenge these beliefs, causing a seismic shift in our spiritual understanding. Yet, it's also conceivable that religions could adapt to this new reality, finding ways to incorporate the concept of earthly immortality into their teachings. It's a complex question with no easy answers, but one thing is certain. The pursuit of immortality is not just a scientific endeavor, it's a spiritual one as well. But do people really want to be immortal? The idea of living forever can be both enticing and terrifying. On one hand, imagine having all the time in the world to learn, grow, and experience everything life has to offer. The endless possibilities that come with eternal life could be a dream come true for many. Yet on the other hand, the thought of an endless existence can also be daunting. The potential boredom, loneliness, and emotional exhaustion that could come with immortality are fears that can't be overlooked. So, do we really want to live forever? It's a question that each person must answer for themselves, and the answers may be as diverse as humanity itself. Imagine, for a moment, that you have become immortal. You've got endless time on your hands, an eternity to fill. What would you do? Perhaps you'd spend your time learning, soaking up knowledge from every corner of the universe. Or maybe you'd dedicate yourself to a cause, striving to make the world a better place. You could even decide to live a life of leisure, enjoying the fruits of an endless existence. But with immortality, there could also be challenges. How would you cope with watching the world change around you, seeing loved ones age and pass away while you remain the same? Would you grow tired of, or would you find new passions to keep you engaged? And then there's societal impact to consider. How would our world change if some people were immortal while others were not? Would it create a divide, or would it lead to new understandings and ways living? Would you do if you were immortal? It's a question that each person must answer for themselves, and the answers may be as diverse as humanity itself. So, in the end, the concept of immortality, with it a world of possibilities and challenges. It forces us to question the very nature of life, purpose of existence, and the profound implications of eternity. But perhaps, the thought-provoking question to ponder is not what we would if we were immortal, but what we choose to do with the finite time that we do have. Are we living our lives to the fullest? Are we making every moment count? Because after all, isn't that what truly matters? For more, subscribe.